D-Wave up 27% today after the administration announced it will invest $2 billion in quantum companies in exchange for equity stakes in an effort to boost the industry. D-Wave received a $100 million equity investment. Here now with more is D-Wave Quantum CEO Alan Baratz. Alan, it's great to see you. Welcome.
Thank you, Kelly, and it's a pleasure to be here with you today.
Why did the government need to get involved here? The retail investors were perfectly happy to bid up your shares.
Well, this is really about the government and quantum computing companies forming a partnership to help drive quantum innovation and leadership for the United States. In the case of D-Wave, it represents a significant endorsement by the U.S. government in our company, as well as both our annealing and our gate model quantum computing products, and will accelerate the time for us to bring scaled versions of those products to market by several years.
How much are you getting from them? $100 million?
$100 million.
Now, listen, I wouldn't mind $100 million myself, but I'm just truly wondering, how much difference does $100 million make to your company and to that timeline?
Well, look, we are the oldest quantum computing company. We were founded almost 20 years ago. Over the course of the last 20 years, we've been able to bring our annealing quantum computers to market to the point where today they are commercial, in use by a broad array of companies as a part of their business operations. It took us 20 years to get to this point, and it took us on the order of $500 million to get here. Now, $500 million to get here, that's not a ton of money. Now what we are doing is scaling our annealing products and working to bring our gate model products to market. So if you think about it, on the gate model side, $100 million as a 20% or 25% uplift is very significant.
Right. And again, just to clarify, this is a $100 million stake. Is that right?
So it's $100 million to be basically used by the company to advance its R&D efforts around both annealing and gate model products to accelerate the time to get scaled versions of these products into the market. And as a part of the deal, the U.S. government will get $100 million worth of equity in D-Wave.
Okay. You could do $100 million, secondary or something, right? Like, what my concern is, I want your company to be very successful. I want all the quantum companies to be very successful and to be in a battle with each other, for primacy and all that. I worry a little bit that all of these government handouts, let's call it, I know it's not a handout, but that they could risk making your company and other companies less efficient because you didn't have to work as hard for that $100 million. Can you arrest my fears?
Sure. So, as I said, 20% to 25% is a significant uplift, but there's still another 75% that we still have to fund. We still have to work very hard to ensure that we're good stewards of our shareholders' investment and that we are operating very efficiently and very effectively. We have been over the last 20 years, and we will continue to do that in the future. But there's another aspect to this that's really important, and that is the U.S. government endorsing the quantum industry, endorsing D-Wave, endorsing D-Wave's annealing and gate model approaches to quantum computing, and saying these are important technologies to the U.S. government and broadly to the United States.